I just went ahead and took the mattress and box spring out of here. I am going to vacuum really good. And it's already out for delivery. It isn't nothing but 8 something. So I wanted to just go ahead and clear the space just in case, because my last delivery, they actually came a little early. I need to pick this up and move that, but I'm going to vacuum right now. So I decided to go ahead and get a head start and bring my mattress in here to get it inflated. Inflated. So I'm gonna lay it on the floor, cut it open, and then when they come, I'll just push it up against the wall or something like that. And then I'll come, or should I wait until the bed is in here? I want to get a head start on the, I don't know, we'll see.
I wake up to fight for my eyes. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Tried to get by, but I'm burning. My mind it runs. All these thoughts are troubling. Fighting to give up my pain. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to pick me up. Tell you what I need. Right, yeah. I really need China. I need to free my mind. I really need my love. I need to free my mind now. I really need Jada. I need to free my love. I really need my love. Yeah. This is the peace that you cannot buy. Tell me you love that you cannot mix. One is the joy that you cannot waste, and the other one price that you cannot fix. This is the peace that you cannot buy. Finding a way where you cannot see. Man with this system he cannot break.
Proper producers, you know.
So you do not consider yourself a proper producer?
I call myself a baby producer because I feel like I'm still learning, and this is not like me in my final form. I'm still, you know, growing. So yeah, I'm a baby producer, but I'm about to become you know, a full-time master.
Let's actually even speak about your growth. Where have you been? Where are you now? And where are you heading?
I've been underground, really. I've been working underground, just trying to like perfect my skills, perfect my music, which is why I've taken a bit of time. Now I'm at the stage of releasing more music, just getting out there and like sharing my music with the world.